Hey, how are you? Okay, you guys. I have had a few people ask me about my skincare routine. So, what I want to do today is just kind of go over and talk to you a little bit about the moisturizers that I use because I think they're very important. So, this one will be about moisturizers. So, here goes because first of all, I am not really a dedicated and have the strict loyalty to any one product. I try several products, and when I put them together, they will probably work best for me, so that's what I do. So what I want to do, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about products that I use at night, okay, before going to bed, because for me they are better. These particular products do not have any SPF or anything like that in. So I always use that when I go out during the day, and these products don't have them. So even if I use them, sometimes, which is not very often, I might use them and then I'll put an SPF over them. But I prefer a product that I already have it in it. So here goes. I'm gonna start off with, of course, one of my favorites here. This is a Clinique. This is a Clinique product, and this is their dramatically different moisturizing lotion. Now, to me, it's just very, very deep moisturizing. It feels really good on the skin, and when I use this at night, it feels like a nice treat. The only little thing I don't like about it, it feels a little bit tacky, but all in all, it's an excellent product. It feels really good. My skin loves it. And when I wake up in the morning, my skin feels very, very moisturized. So I use this pretty regularly. Okay, this is one of the products. Another one of my products, this is the Pause, okay, Collagen Boosting Moisturizer. This is another product. Now, yes, this was gifted to me, and I was their one of their models for the products, for the product launch, and I love it. It's really, really nice. I love the texture of it. It feels really, really good, and it's very hydrating. Okay, and also if you notice here, it does have collagen in the product, and collagen adds volume. Okay, and this product is said to tighten your facial contours. But I love this product as well. This is another one of my nighttime regimen products. Okay, and one of the other one, this is one that I purchased. This is Paula's Choice, and this is their Barrier Repair Moisturizer. Now, this product here have retinol in it. Now, a retinol could dry your skin if you're not real careful. So for me, I'll use this a few times a week. Okay, it's a light lotion, smooth and hydrates. It's very good. I like it. I, you know, I don't use it very often. Like I said, maybe 2, 3 times a week. And because of that, I don't get the burn that some people get using a retinol product. So this product is really good. I had no problems with it. Sometimes when I use this, it seemed like it kind of dried the skin a little bit more than I need for it to be dried, but it still feels good. I mean, it's not a bad dry if you kind of understand that, but I think it's a good product, and yes, I do use it. Now, there's something else that I do even before my moisturizers, and a lot of times I use this day and night. I will use a serum. Okay, this is one of the serums that I like. This is hemp seed oil. Okay, good product. This is from Sonoma Naturals. It's a real good product. I love it. It feels good on my skin. Some people might, kind of not like the smell because it does have a kind of strong smell to it. But the product, hydrates. It feels great on the skin, and I just love it. This is a nourishing facial treatment, and it works really well for me. But I will put my serums on before I put my moisturizer, and I do that morning and evening. This particular one is a rose hip Seed oil. And this is also from Sonoma Naturals, and I think it's a real good product as well. So this is an antioxidant facial treatment. So these are some of the moisturizers that I use. I was gifted previously from Chorus some skincare moisturizing products, and I will come back to you later on that to let you know what I feel about it. But as of to this point, these are the things. These are the moisturizers that I use in the evenings. These are in my cabinet, and they work fantastic for me. So other than that, what can I say? So I'll talk to you a little bit about maybe I consider these my high-end moisturizers. So I even have a few drugstore moisturizers. I'll talk to you about that separately. And on my next video, I'll even give you some more information maybe about some of the specialty things that I will probably use, like maybe some of the eye treatments, facial massages, and those kinds of things. So be back with you. Just stay tuned. Bye-bye.